What's the meaning of Beauty and the Beast? Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast is a fairy tale that originated from France. The story centers around a young woman named Belle, who is pursued by an arrogant and selfish prince transformed into a beast due to his cruelty. Despite her initial terror, Belle learns to see past the beast's appearance and discovers his inner beauty and kindness. Through their interactions and eventual love, the curse on the prince is ultimately broken. The tale teaches us about the power of inner beauty, love, and compassion, and how they can transform even the ugliest of situations into something beautiful and life-changing.